So this is a walkthrough of the converted CNC PM30. As you can see, stand on casters, one-shot oiler, shelf for the keyboard and mouse, shelf for the PC, the controller mounted over there, monitor. Quick walkthrough. You see there's a manifold there to be able to control the oil output for each one. Belt drive. Here's the control cabinet. See there's connectors for each axis. There's also some room for an additional axis, some limit switches, wired for the limit switches. There's a remote e-stop that can be mounted anywhere. Quick walk through the control cabinet as well. The electrical cabinet. And you can see the motor driver's room for a fourth axis. Plenty of room for a VFD if you want to add. There's fans, keeps everything cool. And just to show some quick motion. Obviously there's way covers on each axis, keep the ways clean. And spindle control here, and the spindle. Spindle speed. Complete Mach 3 speed. See, we also have the ability to turn on and turn off flood cord with anything that's plugged into this outlet. So I'm just using this light. I don't have an actual mister or a pump, but anything plugged into that one outlet there will be controlled by Mach 3 or the G code to turn it on and turn it off. So that's pretty much it. Double nuts on each axis. Very precise machine. Pretty heavy duty stand. Big chip trays. No real use other than just for testing some parts out. So should go with a nice integrated solution. So that's pretty much it. Should go